universe particle especially is a sort of neighborhood identification of the universe community point, the central chain known to man, truly natural framework much of the time, called an Internet of Blockchains universe in a real sense, was explicitly worked by the gathering behind Tendermint, a BFT understanding engine, incredibly, to ship off their Endeavor Universes bunch held two private representative arrangements in 2017. Really, in spite of prevalent thinking most of the blockchain applications depend on Ethereum now, nevertheless there generally are prominent issues with this association, most of which concern flexibility. Ethereum's throughput is covered versatility. It's hard for EVM to oblige all use cases and power the chain doesn't explicitly have a spot with the application specialist. The universe crypto environment ought to chip away at the experience of the blockchain application engineers and their end clients by giving the environment to building their own modified chains easily. Thusly all of the issues depicted above can truly be avoided, which essentially is genuinely huge universe climate contains universe center, the central chain to which the genuinely extensive variety of different free chains generally worked with the help of the in every way that really matters specific SDK programming progression packs especially are related, which is genuinely critical to by and large make this all work. Universe certainly utilizes layered network plan IT between blockchain correspondence show and Tendermint BFT, the moment understanding and frameworks organization course of action that for the most part allows the designers to focus in on the application layer and not the secret technicals. Particle generally is a checking fundamentally token on the universe community blockchain, expected to basically receive the confirmation of stake network as a trade-off for an award made in particle tokens in a significant way. The awards in every way that really matters are made of trade costs as well as brand new particle crypto. In opposition to mainstream thinking, universe explicitly live worth graph universe particle crypto's expense for the most part had been affected both by the crypto market bull in every practical sense run of the especially essential piece of 2021 when the expense created from 5 to 20 to 30 and the going with trench which achieved atom trading under 15 for the buy and larger piece of the genuinely pre-summer regardless plunging underneath 10 for actually on numerous occasions since July 2021. Nonetheless, universe crypto explicitly has been for all intents and purposes tireless while its expense hasn't totally avoided the dives. It for the most part returns fundamentally a lot higher, which is genuinely huge. On September 20th, universe crypto cost generally raised a ruckus around town, genuinely high of 4470 or so. They generally thought this could in every way that really matters have been achieved by some tremendous universe crypto news, for instance, and in every practical sense looming universe center point update and the joining of gravity DEX in an unobtrusive manner. By certainly late September the expense explicitly has corrected decently, but it's really staying above 35 by and large in light of everything. The very last month's cost movement explicitly spells a promising sign for this coin. This especially is an assessment resonated by an all things considered bigger number of individuals of the molecule crypto cost assumptions which are remaining dominatingly truly sure in a significant manner. Universe certainly particular assessment universe crypto cost has dunked just under 30 in late September in its latest bull run or so. They generally thought this point could especially transform into another assistance line as we see an essentially present second right now design reversal which could in a real sense continue onward for quite a while, yet by it for the most part isn't yet kind of clear in a huge manner. Molecule cost action from September 12 until the end of the month could be translated as a head and shoulders plan, which basically is to sort of be fundamentally certain, focusing truly in opposition to mainstream thinking. On the other hand, the upgrade since the latest dive quite appear to basically be a flag model, in which case there might be a splendid future ahead for universe in a significant manner. The experts making universe atom future assumptions assumptions generally appear to sort of help this evaluation as their future assessments really remain optimistic. Cosmos worth estimate under we have for the most part assembled the most reliable expense projections for universe molecule from essentially popular check stages in a genuinely significant manner. Universe worth assumption for 2022 as of the completion of 2022. Universe cost gauges explicitly remain fantastically certain with some examination especially encouraging the expense at about 849,678, while wallet investor even alludes to the opportunity of the expense arriving at 19,314 toward the year's emeris end as it might be clear from the assessment referred to above. Universe molecule projections for the most part are to some degree detached truly in spite of prevalent thinking there truly is no broad arrangement either about kind of certain or negative future molecule cost advancements or so they sort of thought. To really be certain the future possible improvement depends upon various factors statements new mechanical plans of the universe projects the crypto environment generally speaking authentic position and so on which is very huge. We benevolently encourage you that before placing assets into any cryptographic cache it certainly is essential to really do your really own assessment. In a fundamentally significant way FAC is universe particle cryptographic cache a shrewd hypothesis in an unobtrusive manner for sure. Universe particle computerized cache explicitly is an insightful hypothesis as explicitly demonstrated by most molecule crypto cost assumptions. Those by and large put particle cost by 2022 at around 50 which really is a colossal improvement stood out from the continuous expense with the likelihood to by and large grow essentially most certainly further in a little while which certainly is genuinely huge. What all things considered is universe computerized money universe advanced cache molecule generally is a genuinely fundamental money of the universe place point the association giving the understanding engine and the blockchain interconnection for the chains in the universe kind of natural framework molecule for the most part is used for stamping to essentially get the association and is dispersed as a remuneration for that which in a real sense is very critical is the universe particle coin a stunt especially in spite of prevalent thinking no universe particle coin by and large is probable not a stunt basically not according to industry trained professionals beautiful in spite of prevalent thinking universe gives a consistent usable blockchain establishment which by and large is at this point elaborate by the trailblazers in the crypto space like Cryptocom Anchor Binance and various others universe records 255 endeavors which basically is genuinely critical. This level of trust suggests that it's far especially broad that the particle coin basically is a stunt. Will universe particle especially reach 100 around the completion of 2022 or so they by and large thought no universe particle will probably